How to log into KeyBank Online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into KeyBank Online. For that, you want to open up any web browser. Here, you want to search for KeyBank. Then tap on this website, which is key.com. Once you get here, tap on the sign on option. Now tap on the sign on option from here as well. On the login portal, you will have to enter some details. Start by entering your user ID. Once you have entered it, if you want to save this, check the box that says Save User ID. Now, on the second box, you want to enter your password. Once you have entered both the details, tap on the Sign On option. If you are new to this, you can tap on the Enroll in Online Banking option. In case you are facing any difficulty while signing in, tap on the Problem Signing On option. Now select the option in which you're facing the issue. For example, if you have forgotten your password, tap on Forgot My Password option. Here, you will have to enter your user ID, then enter your social security number and tap on the next option. Follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset your password. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.